This is how you know you have had a spiritual awakening. And what's up? My name is Mama Love, and we are on our healing journey. You want to do better. Honey, this is me right now. I am consistently always trying to do better, and I'm always trying to find ways to be a better me. One of my signs of me knowing that I was spiritually awakening was me consistently looking for answers. And when you do that, you just need to look for answers from within. Be still. Being still will give you all the answers you need. So I recommend maybe doing a 24-hour fast, just drinking water or fruit juice, one fruit. Another reason is a lot of your beliefs that you inherited from your parents, you don't believe anymore. Of course, beliefs that are, indoctrinated, or you can you start to question everything. That's how I noticed that I was spiritually awakening. I started to question my religious belief because I was a heavy Christian. And I started to look into other religions. And as a Christian, it says, don't study other religions or you're going to go to hell. But I was like, is that true? And I come to find out that, hell is within the body. You can live in hell or heaven right now. God is omnipresent, but we can get into another video with that one. I wanted to eat better, so I stopped eating a lot of different things like beef, pork. Before I went vegan, I stopped eating pork. Like, I haven't ate pork, I would say, in about 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. It's been a minute. That swine is the devil. I sound like a Christian, but nah, that swine will have you congested and mentally insane. Pork is mixed with a chicken, a rat, and a dog. And that could be a different video too. Let me stay on subject. Another way is you subconsciously stop hanging around the friends that don't want to see you grow. And you can notice that by the friends that says, oh, she don't know nobody no more. Or he don't know nobody no more. Oh, she ain't eating meat no more. Yeah, I just want to, feel better. Or we can't hang out no more because we don't know what you want to eat. We can't go to a restaurant. There's plant-based restaurants in Atlanta. Oh, she just thinks she different. Okay. And you'll know by that type of energy. You'll feel the energy. You would be like, okay, really? But yeah, those are some signs that you are spiritually awakening. And welcome to the tribe. I have a Discord. So if you're just now getting into your spiritual awakening, follow my Discord. Click the link in my bio. You can hang out with me, talk to me. You have any questions? I'm going to be dropping some gems in that Discord about different herbs and how to detox. So if you want more information, click the link in my bio and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.